Hello everybody, this is the tutorial in which I'll tell you how to upload your assignments for the CS50G course. So I took the assignment 2 as an example. So what you have to do first is go to this link, just copy this link except the .git and then paste it, and instead of the username just type your username. Mine is Nagimax, so I'll just type it, and when you do it, this page should open in which you will have your branch, and if you haven't done any work in GitHub, you would only have this master branch. So what you have to do next is you have to create a new branch of this name of the after the X, the 2 number is the number of your assignment. So if you're on number 3 assignment, just replace it with 3 and furthermore. And also keep in mind one thing, that when you create a new branch, the current branch you are in gets duplicated with it. So if I currently create an example branch, everything in this branch would get duplicated into it. For example, like this. If I create a new branch named X, everything in this branch is getting duplicated in this EX. You don't want that to happen. So what you should do is create a temporary branch which would be completely empty, which I have here, which is my master branch. And what I do is every time when I create a new branch, just go to this master branch, paste that name. I won't create a new branch as I have already created it, but if you don't have it, it would show something like this: create branch games 50. Just click on it. It would create an empty branch like this one. Then click on upload files. After this, what you have to do is go to the folder where you have all your assignment, copy all the in-text file, all the necessary file. Don't copy the assignment folder. Just copy them and drag them onto this Chrome. And as soon as you do, they will start getting uploaded. And as it happens, just click on commit changes and you'll see all the files have been uploaded like this one. And you can check if they have actually been uploaded or not. Go to this link which they provide in every assignment. Click on it. It would take you a page here. And you also have to authorize it so you can see your progress. And here you can see your submission says, I have already done 3 assignments, and it shows that I have also submitted them. And you can also check your progress, how many of your assignments have been checked by the mentors by just clicking on this link. It would take you to a new page where it would show you your progress, and this green means it has been checked and you have been graded. So hope all your queries have been fixed.